Hello everyone, welcome back to Abena'sKitchen. In this video, we'll be making waakye papabi, not your regular type of waakye, and soaked my beans for 30 minutes. I have 3 cups of beans. I use the cup from the rice cooker, so it's smaller than the measuring cup. I've got my waakye leaves. I cut them into half, so I've got 7 pieces of them, and I'll have 1 tablespoon of baking soda as well. I'm going to add the leaves and the baking soda to the beans. So baking soda is really important when making waakye because that's what is going to make the waakye look like the waakye seller's own. Without the baking soda, your waakye will look pinkish and pale. I'm adding some hot water from my kettle. It cooks the waakye in no time. I make sure I add enough water at this point so that I wouldn't need to add a lot of water when I add in my rice. I'm going to boil the beans until it's 75% cooked. I'm going to take the leaves out at this point. I'm going to unveil 3 ingredients that makes my waakye absolutely the best waakye you would ever taste. Try this and thank me later. You will lick your fingers, trust me. These are my secret ingredients to a super delicious waakye: bay leaves, onion, and vegetable oil. Just 1 onion goes a long way. I'm going to blend it and then pour it into the beans. The aroma of the bay leaves will make the waakye smell heavenly. I'm going to add in about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. This will make the waakye shiny. If you're a coconut oil lover, please add your coconut oil. I'm adding my rice. This is 5 cups of rice. As I mentioned earlier, I use the cup that comes with the rice cooker. That one is a little bit smaller than the regular measuring cups. I added extra water to it and some salt to taste. I'm going to cover it and cook until everything is done. I've got my waakye stew cooking on the side, and this will be a video tutorial for another time. I cook on medium heat until it gets to a boil, and then turn the heat on the lowest for it to slowly cook. Check on your waakye and give it a stir from time to time. Waakye yimbi yempo na ni aye akono sei. Asa u tasty a jai. The onion adds a sweet taste to the waakye, and trust me, you will love it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe and press the notification bell so you wouldn't miss any future uploads. I want to give a shout out to Lami Cooks. Kindly check her channel up. She's got lovely recipes over there. Our waakye is ready. You have no excuse not to try this recipe. Waakye papabi with your waakye premayo. Thank you all for watching. Kindly subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. See you all on my next tutorial. Bye.